In this video, I will walk you through how logged chats work on WhatsApp and how can you find them. First, go ahead and open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or any phone you are using right now. Now swipe down on your chat list. When you do this, WhatsApp shows you extra options. One of them is logged chats. After tap on logged chats, you will be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, Fingerprint or your secret passcode. Once verified, you will be able to see all your protected conversations here. Now if you don't see logged chats here, that simply means they are hidden. Now let's find those hidden logged chats together. So go back to the WhatsApp and tap on the search bar. Now enter the secret code, the same secret code you created when you logged the chat. Make sure you type it exactly. As soon as you type it correctly, you will see logged chats appear on the screen. Just tap on it and all your hidden chats open right in front of you. And that's it. That's how you can easily find and open your hidden logged chats on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.